TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day, and we have markets slightly to the negative side. S&P is negative by about 43 points, trading at 27.37. We got some action last night at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. You had about 100 points. The S&P traded from 28.19 to 27.17. We're approaching that level, 27.39 in the S&Ps. NASDAQ negative by 58 points, trading at 81.69. The Dow off 386, trading at 22.32. Oil with some action over the weekend, of course, up $1 right now at 23.73, and the gold contract off $18 at 17.34. We'll start things off. We'll jump over to the charts. Let's start it off with the Dow. So all the indices, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, the market's open. We reach a high and sell off right from that level in quite a half hour, from 6 till 6:30. The Dow 30. Dow Jones Industrial Average from 23,895 down to, within about a half hour, your 615 bar, 23,128, so 700 plus points, and we're right near those levels in terms of 23,246. You see the sell-off just since 9:15. The Dow's lost almost 400 points. NASDAQ 100 trading at 81.74. We were as high as 8,300 last night. We were as low as below 8,100 just in the last half hour, 82.41 to 81.76. There's your S&Ps. Last night, as I mentioned, about 100 points. From here, you're looking at the June contract, 28.14 down to 27.23, and we're at 27.41 right now. Right, you can see where we've bounced along. S&P's right at that level. Gold contract 17.34 last week, Thursday, middle of the day, made it to 17.54, and crude oil 23.73, catching a little bit of a bid in the last 2 hours from 22.57, so you're up about $1.20, but crude, talk about some volatility. We'll jump over the headlines for crude, and there is your headline. OPEC and allies finalized record oil production cut after days of discussion. The final cut, 9.7 million barrels a day, single largest output cut in history. But if you take a look at that crude chart and where we were over the weekend, there's your action on Thursday, the final trading day last week. We were as high as $28, as low as $22 last night out of the open. Stay tuned, folks. Come back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Live programming all day at TFNN. We'll be right back.